Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder, this podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, June 17th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of industry and manufacturing news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
ERZIA and ACETEC forged strategic partnership to enhance RF and microwave technology access in Southern California. ERZIA and ACETEC have formed a strategic partnership to enhance RF and microwave technology access in Southern California. This collaboration aims to provide high-reliability RF systems and subsystems for industries such as defense, space, SATCOM, and electronic warfare. The partnership leverages ACETEC's localized expertise and ERZIA's global innovation to meet the stringent demands of these sectors. This alliance signifies a trend of global technology leaders localizing operations to better serve regional markets. The upcoming showcase at the International Microwave Symposium in San Francisco is expected to highlight the potential of this collaboration to set new standards in the RF and microwave technology sector, reinforcing ERZIA's position as a leader in supporting cutting-edge missions.
Copper supply disparities grow as more shipments head to the U.S. The surge in demand for physical copper in America, ahead of potential import duties, is creating supply shortages in other parts of the world. Latest figures show that stocks on the London Metal Exchange have dropped to new lows as inventory continues to shrink. The copper supply crunch in other markets around the world could be a tailwind that drives even more investors towards companies like Aston Bay Holdings Ltd., OTCQB ATBHF, that have properties with proven reserves.
Platinum Group Metals Ltd. benefits from surging platinum and palladium prices. The recent surge in platinum and palladium prices has put Platinum Group Metals Ltd. in the spotlight. With platinum prices at their highest in over 2 years and palladium gaining interest, the company's focus on PGMs in South Africa positions it for growth. Platinum prices, now over $1,095 per ounce, have risen more than 20% this year due to increased demand from China's jewelry sector. Palladium's stability in industrial demand and inflation pressures have also boosted its price. Platinum Group Metals Ltd's strategic focus on PGMs, strong partnerships, and commitment to innovation make it a key player in the resurging market. As demand rises and supply remains constrained, the company's role in meeting global needs is crucial.
Innovative Designs reports record sales and profitability in first half of 2025. Innovative Designs Inc., a leader in manufacturing evacuated cell insulation products, reported record sales and profitability in the first half of 2025. Total revenues increased by 265% to $1,340,285, driven by high demand for Insultec's house wrap and Arctic Armor line. The company achieved over $240,000 in net income, a significant improvement from the previous year's $41,000 loss. This success reflects the industry's shift towards energy-efficient and sustainable building materials. Innovative Designs' performance demonstrates the importance of innovation in meeting modern construction and energy efficiency standards, setting a benchmark for success in the competitive landscape of sustainable building materials. Innovative Designs reports record sales and profitability in first half of 2025. Innovative Designs Inc., a leader in the manufacturing of superior and patented evacuated cell insulation products, has reported a remarkable financial performance for the first half of 2025. The company saw a 265% increase in total revenues compared to the same period in 2024, reaching $1,340,285. This growth is attributed to the rising demand for its Insultec's house wrap and Arctic Armor line. Innovative Designs also achieved a new high in profitability, with over $240,000 in net income for the first 6 months of 2025, a stark contrast to the $41,000 loss reported in the same period the previous year. The company's success reflects a broader industry trend towards energy-efficient and sustainable building materials, showcasing the potential for innovative materials to drive environmental and economic benefits in the construction sector. Lane Resources Ltd. unveils strategic exploration plans for high-grade gold and silver projects. Lane Resources Ltd., led by President and CEO Kevin Brewer, has revealed its strategic exploration plans targeting high-grade gold and silver projects in Nevada and British Columbia. The company aims to leverage its diversified portfolio for significant discoveries and value creation. Brewer highlighted the importance of a disciplined financial strategy, emphasizing low G&A costs and a contractor-based model for efficient exploration. Key projects include Toole Canyon in Nevada and Amy in British Columbia, known for high-grade mineralization. Lane's approach may set a blueprint for sustainable and profitable exploration, offering investors a compelling opportunity in the gold and silver sector. Stay tuned for updates on upcoming drill programs and permitting status to gauge the potential for significant discoveries.
Rock breaks. ESGold Corp OTCQB ESAUF launches $3.3 million private placement to advance Montauban project. ESGold Corp, listed on the CSESAU and on the OTCQB as ESAUF, has launched a $3.3 million private placement to advance its Montauban project. The non-brokered private placement offers units at $73 each, with each unit consisting of 1 common share and 1 share purchase warrant. The initial closing is set for June 20th, 2025, with proceeds intended for mill circuit construction, mobilization at the Montauban Gold-Silver Project, and general working capital. The placement is subject to Canadian Securities Exchange approval. ESGold Corp is a fully permitted pre-production resource company focused on clean mining and exploration innovation, with the flagship Montauban property showcasing responsible mining practices and district-scale discovery potential. LaFleur Minerals Inc., LFLRF, is one to watch. LaFleur Minerals Inc., listed on the CSE as LFLR and on the OTCQB as LFLRF, is gaining attention as one to watch. The company's Beacon Gold Mill, acquired in 2024, provides a cost-effective path to production with a restart budget estimated at $5 to $6 million, with a mineral resource estimate of 123,400 ounces indicated and 64,500 ounces inferred at the Swanson Gold Project. LaFleur aims to grow the resource towards 1 million ounces. Through strategic acquisitions, LaFleur has become a prominent exploration company in the Abitibi Gold Belt, consolidating 15,290 hectares of land. The company's experienced leadership team, with expertise in mining, finance, and capital markets, is driving the transition from exploration to production. LaFleur Minerals is focused on advancing the Swanson Gold Project and restarting gold production at the Beacon Gold Mill, targeting annual production of 15,000 to 20,000 ounces by early 2026.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.